that way. So that's where we're turning a little bit. Trying to cut them off.
This map's very large, and there's like 5 monsters.
We haven't seen them.
Yeah, isn't the point of having 5 monsters because it's large?
Yeah.
Guys,
We
we're
haven't
getting
seen one.
followed. Guys, we're getting followed by the thingy eater.
What?
It's behind us.
There's nothing
I
called the
hear it in
Thingy
my
Eater.
literal right ear.
There is nothing called the Thingy Eater. Fucking hell!
We're on our way to Memphis.
We found something.
We're on our way to Memphis. Always such good company. It's the only place to be.
Really?
Okay, now. When to go? Below us. Ethan's over there. Wendigo camping you. Wendigo's literally underneath you. Is it? Yeah. Don't!